Does it ever feel like the world is just too loud? From the headlines to the constant buzz of social media, it's easy to feel like we're drowning in a sea of noise. From the news elections, TikTok bans and unbans, and all the things in between, it can feel overwhelming and exhausting trying to keep up with it all. So, here is your shot of wellness for today. Learning how to quiet the noise of the world. Today, we're going to talk about how to regain control of your attention and shut off what doesn't serve you, so you can find peace in a world that seems like it never stops. First, let's acknowledge the truth. The world is noisy. We're constantly bombarded with information, opinions, and updates, often without even asking for them. It's like trying to have a conversation in a room where everyone is shouting. No wonder it's overwhelming. But here's the good news. Even though you cannot control the noise entirely, you can control how much of it you let in. You are not powerless in this. You have the ability to decide where your attention goes and what deserves your focus. Let's start with a specific practice: unplugging. Whether it's turning off your notifications, stepping away from the endless scroll, or just muting the television, it's okay to say, "Not right now." Your mental health and peace of mind are more important than being caught up on every single update. It's not avoidance, it's self-preservation. And while you're unplugging from the noise, try plugging into what actually fills you up. Maybe that's spending time with loved ones, diving into a creative project, or simply sitting in silence with your thoughts. Redirecting your attention to things that bring you joy and peace is one of the most empowering choices you can make. Remember, the world is always going to change. That's just the nature of life. But you don't have to let those changes dictate your inner peace. It's okay to let go of things you can control and focus on what you can. Protect your energy, honor your boundaries, and remind yourself that quieting the noise isn't selfish. It's necessary. Thank you for spending this moment with me today. You have more power than you realize. Power over your attention, your peace, and your well-being. Use it wisely, and don't be afraid to turn down the noise on the things that don't serve you. So, until next time, take care of yourself and remember, the world is always going to be noisy. However, you get to decide what you listen to and what you pay attention to.